All right, now that you've decided you're ready to take your test, I'm just going to walk you through the questions and give you a few clarifying tips. So the first thing you're going to do is look at two political cartoons, and you're going to choose which one you would like to answer some questions on. So the first one, we have cartoon A here, and we have this caption: "The lumberjack works and has nothing," and that's reflected here. This is what the lumberjacks eat and sleep. "And the boss loafs and has everything." So over here we can see the images of how the boss looks, okay? The second cartoon is an image of a factory where we see children working and the word thief. And it says, "The worst thief is he who steals the playtime of children. Join the WW and help put the thieves to work." Okay, so ultimately you're going to pick either A or B, and you'll circle that right here or write it down. Then you're going to tell me what is the issue. So think about all the things that people would want to bring awareness to, and then write down the issue here. And then ultimately, what is the cartoonist trying to get you to think about the issue? Are they trying to think it's the most amazing thing or horrible thing? And how do you know that? So you're going to provide evidence from the cartoon that's going to support why you think the way you think. The second question is about invention. So what you're going to do is you're going to name an invention and give 2 ways it changed people's lives. Make sure your evidence is specific, because if you aren't specific and it's too general, that's not good evidence. Question 3 is a matching, where you are going to identify which things are benefits, positive things about the industrial rev, and which things are costs, negative things about the industrial rev, and you're just going to match those up. Question 4, you're going to tell me were the benefits of industrialization outweighing the costs. So did the good things happen more than the bad things? And you're going to tell me yes or no. And then you're going to support your opinion from evidence, support your opinion with evidence from the unit. So think about that cost versus benefit charts. As you are telling me your opinion and providing 3 pieces of evidence, you must correctly use at least 3 of the vocabulary words that we have studied throughout this whole unit to understand how these are all interrelated. So as you're providing evidence, make sure you're including 3 of these vocabulary words. The last question is about labor unions, and you're going to tell me, in your opinion, so based on what you think, were labor unions during the industrial rev successful? And then tell me why or why not. So think about what changes they were trying to get, and did they get them? And then make sure you're down here, you're going to tell me whether you think they were successful or unsuccessful, and then why. Reason 1 and reason 2. And once you've done that, you are done with your assessment, and you can sit and work on something quietly for the rest of the hour.